Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 2002 Camaro SS. It's got a little over 2,000 miles and it also has the SLP package. We have all the documentation that came with this car from the factory. Literally like brand new. Original owner's manuals, window sticker. Original tires, no dry rot or flat spots. This car is stored in a heated garage. It's literally like brand new. $2,914 original miles. Literally like brand new. You also have the SLP badge there. The client wanted to keep the 35th anniversary. No one's ever sat in the back seat. So here's our original window sticker. It's been laminated. Here's the Z28 package from SLP Engineering. Birth certificate. We also have original mats. They're in the plastic. Never been used. Brand new. Front license plate bracket also. All brand new in the box. Original owner's manual. Brand new under the hood. All the original chalk marks. All the bolts are beautiful. There's absolutely no corrosion. Not even on the aluminum parts. Really oxidized. Literally like new. Factory windshield washer fluid. Probably. Right, Pat? Yeah, right? Never even been washed this car. struts still hold up the hood. Just gorgeous. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.